Moldova is a small yet culturally and historically rich country located in the heart of Eastern Europe, between Romania and Ukraine. After gaining independence in 1991 following the dissolution of the Soviet Union, Moldova has quickly set about rebuilding its national identity and cultural heritage. With its natural beauty, vineyards, rich historical relics, and hospitable people, Moldova has recently become a noteworthy tourist destination. The natural landscape of Moldova is characterized by vast plains and fertile valleys. The country's two major rivers, the Dniester and Prut, form Moldova's natural borders and provide the region with fertile soil. This land supports the country's agricultural production, forming the backbone of Moldova's economy. Although Moldova lacks direct access to the Black Sea, its climate is similar to that of coastal countries, and this is especially apparent in its vegetation. Moldova's natural wealth is further enhanced by the Codrii Forests, which host endemic plant species and diverse wildlife, and contribute to preserving the country's ecological system. One of Moldova's most renowned features is its deep-rooted winemaking culture. Known worldwide for producing high-quality wines, Moldova's vineyards stretch across the country's landscapes. Famous underground wine cellars such as Craiova and Ms.İsinsu exemplify Moldova's long-standing winemaking tradition. These cellars, with tunnels that stretch for kilometers and house thousands of bottles of wine, attract many visitors annually. They have become top tourist destinations for those interested in wine culture and Moldova's place among global wine producers. Moldovan culture reflects a blend of Romanian and Slavic influences. The official language is Romanian, but Russian remains widely used due to the country's Soviet past. Traditional cultural values in Moldova are manifested through folk dances, music, and handicrafts. Doina, a traditional music style, captures the spirit of the Moldovan people and is frequently played at weddings and festivals. This music style, enriched by Moldovan folk tunes and traditional instruments, forms an integral part of Moldova's cultural identity. Moldovan cuisine is hearty and features dishes made with local ingredients. Known for various meat and vegetable dishes, Moldovan cuisine is highlighted by mamaliga, a popular cornmeal dish served with yogurt, cheese, and meat dishes, enjoyed both in rural and urban areas. Traditional wines are also an essential part of Moldova's culinary culture and pair well with many of its dishes. The capital and largest city, Chisinau, is Moldova's cultural, economic, and political hub. Chisinau's cityscape features broad streets and large buildings from the Soviet era, alongside modern structures and renovated areas that lend the city a contemporary look. The city's monuments, parks, and museums showcase Moldova's history and cultural heritage. Chisinau also boasts some of the country's largest green spaces. Expansive parks like Stefan Cel Mare Park provide leisure areas for locals and tourists alike. The Orhil Veci archaeological complex is one of Moldova's most important historical and touristic sites. Located along the Dniester River, this ancient settlement, with medieval ruins and cave monasteries, attracts thousands of tourists annually. Perched on a natural plateau, Orhil Veci is both an archaeological and religious center that sheds light on Moldova's past. Similarly, the Topova Monastery, situated along the Dniester River and carved directly into rock formations, offers visitors a unique experience. Moldova is a developing country in both agriculture and industry. The economy is largely based on agriculture, with grape production, tobacco, grains, and fruit cultivation contributing significantly. Besides vineyards, Moldova also has expanding industries such as textiles, food processing, and electronics. Winemaking plays a significant role in exports, with Moldova's global reputation in this field growing each year. Despite its small size, Moldova is a hidden gem with natural beauty, historical wealth, cultural diversity, and hospitable people, offering visitors a unique experience. With both its traditional culture and modernization efforts, Moldova stands out as a captivating country in Eastern Europe, waiting to be discovered.
Солнце в небе смотрит на меня, надо мной летает вольный ветер. Он такой же, как и я, и хочется просто любить и дышать, и мне другого не нужно. Такой, какой есть, и меня не сломать. И все потому, что я русский, я иду до конца. Я русский, моя кровь от отца. Я русский, мне повезло. Я русский, всему миру назло. Я русский. В небо улетает эта песня и зовет меня с собой. А во мне пылает мое сердце, освещая путь домой. Хочется просто любить и дышать, и мне другого не нужно. Такой уж я есть, и меня не сломать. И все потому, что я русский, я иду до конца. Я русский, моя кровь от отца. Я русский, мне повезло. Я русский, всему миру назло. Я русский. Я иду до конца. Я иду до конца. Я русский, моя кровь от отца. Хей, я русский, и мне повезло. Я русский, всему миру назло.